Hello, today we are going to do the back stitch, so just make sure you've got a knot in your embroidery thread before we begin. This is a long stitch which looks like it forms one big long line as opposed to the dash running stitch. So as we go up from the back of the fabric, we're going to go down a stitch length and then we're going to miss a gap of that previous stitch length and come up from the back and then back down to the previous hole of where the last stitch finished, and then we're going to come up to where the stitch is spaced again to the stitch length, and then we're going to go back down to the last stitch where that ended, and then we're going to repeat that process, which forms the line of the back stitch. I'm keeping them all the same length here, but again, for decorative purposes you could change the lengths of them, and you'll see compared to the running stitch this obviously fills the gaps, and it's quite a nice embroidery stitch to use. So I'm using this on Ada, which is good for children because it has big holes, and I feel it's good for learning. You can split your embroidery thread, or floss as it's known, if you're using a thinner fabric, and obviously you can also use an embroidery hoop, but for the purposes of this demonstration, the binca just makes it look a bit clearer for you. So all the way along, and you can obviously mark your fabric to follow the line, and then as you can see it has a nice finish to it, the back stitch, and this is quite a common stitch to use. It can be used a lot in embroideries and it can be used a lot on clothing. If you're doing some hand stitching on clothing, it could be nice for pockets, for decorative purposes. But as you can see, there's no gaps, and it's quite a nice stitch for neatness really. And there's your back stitch, and when you finish the stitch off on the back, just be sure to go through the loop, so go under the last stitch, forming the loop and then tucking it under the loop to make the knot. And there is your back stitch, and you can see the difference between that and the running stitch.